And while we're on the topic of local governments, let's share some of your thoughts on part 2 of my sit-down interview with Multnomah County Commissioner Sharon Meieran, which ran as last night's big story. Meieran asked Governor Kotek for help from the state when it comes to Multnomah County's response to behavioral health, things like addiction and mental illness. Meieran said she came up with a program to help kickstart the system, but then COVID hit and former County Chair Deborah Kafori did not support her plan. New County Chair Jessica Vega-Peterson also apparently did nothing with it and said she would come up with a strategy of her own for behavioral health. If you missed the show last night, you can head over to the KGW YouTube channel after today's show to catch up. You should watch it. It's good. I followed up with the governor's office, which directed me to the Oregon Health Authority, which then sent me the same press release they sent everyone on the fentanyl crisis being declared today. I asked for the actual reply to Commissioner Meieran to see what they had in mind, and I have not heard back from them yet. But let's get to your thoughts. We heard from one viewer named Chris, who's lived in Multnomah County for over 40 years.
I can tell you there has never been, in my time living here, a coordinated system for the delivery of behavioral health services. So I think it's shameful, and I'm very glad that the Commissioner, Sharon Meieran, has asked for the state to intervene. Clearly, what's been happening is not acceptable.
Does this scream whistleblower or what? I think it does. And this woman's not wrong in anything she is saying. The mental health crisis in Multnomah County is killing us. And that commission is killing us. Multnomah County Council, I don't think we know what the hell they do or don't do. And good for Sharon, because we need to be hearing this. Our county is messed up.
And Aline emailed us. Your interview with Commissioner Meieran on the county and homeless was very interesting. Good to hear someone from the inside telling it like it is. Multnomah County doesn't seem to ever get anything done. Jessica Vega-Peterson appears to be all about being in control. And while many of your comments focused on Chair Vega-Peterson, some put the blame on Meieran. Maxine says, I can see why Sharon Meieran has been so unsuccessful in achieving her goals. She's a bit of a narcissist, and she seems to have alienated everyone around her. Good ideas are more likely to advance if you can get an ally. Even if your ideas are the best, you generally need helpers. And how about this one from Joyce? I did notice in Monday's piece that Meieran seems to go off on her own, developing her own plan with her own set of friends. And then if her plan is not adopted, she says nothing at all was done. Is there a possibility of sour grapes here since Meieran lost the election as chair? Thanks for all your feedback. And as always, keep it coming.